niyo po ngayon. Ang saya ko ngayon eh. I love you all, guys. I love you all. Sana po lagi ko kayong makantahan. Mama Hodge, thank you so much. In behalf of Cornerstone. It's gonna run the station now. I'm sure you know the song. So, saan niya kayo bigyan ng isang sompe? Kaya ba?
Yun, nagising na ba lahat?
Hey, sa tabi yun!
Thank you so much!
Ang pogi
Thank you so much, Kim!
Yung galing naman.
Grabe yun, no? Ginising ang mga natutulog ng dugo, yes.
Yung naka-wheelchair nila, puti na tumayo eh.
Yes, Kim, saan ka nila papalo sa iyong mga social
Oh,
media?
yes po. Follow niyo po ako sa aking mga social media accounts at Kim Inchong. Yeah. K-I-T-I-N-C-I-O-N-G. Yeah, that's me. Makakita kayo ng cute once you search my name. And also, please do spin my first ever single. It was composed by the one and only Benny Sapurno.
Wow!
And the title of the song is Sukuk Na.
Yun!
And everybody can relate.
Yeah. Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kim! Thank you. Yes, sure. Audience now. Okay, ready? Sapat kayo ha, kawan.